Hi friends, let's see the apple different type of apple cutters and what is the production cost and what are the equipments available for apple cutters. You can see different type of apple cutters, complete videos, and there are around 6 to 7 types of apple cutters. You can completely watch this video. Apple slice cutters, unique steel material, and next type of apple cutter is available on the screen. So this is peeler. ಇದೊಂದು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 12 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲೈಸಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾರು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಚಾನಲ್ನ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಹು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ or this video, you can like it and subscribe the channel. And we have a different in products, in different unique products you can watch in the previous videos, friends. Thank you. Watch complete video, you'll understand the products. This is used for making salads. Thank you, friends.